In this lesson, we will discuss the field of robotics and the various types of robots that exist. We will cover the capabilities of robots, including their ability to sense, perceive, and act in the physical world. We will also explore the various applications of robots in areas such as manufacturing and logistics. We will discuss how robots can be used to automate tasks and improve efficiency in these settings. Students will learn how to use robotics libraries such as ROS, MoveIt, and Gazebo to simulate and control robots. Robotics is a field of engineering that involves the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Robotics is a multidisciplinary field that draws on knowledge from several fields such as mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. There are various types of robots that exist, each with their own unique capabilities and applications. Here are a few examples. Industrial robots. These robots are typically used in manufacturing and assembly operations. They are designed to perform repetitive tasks such as welding, painting, and material handling. They are usually large in size and are fixed to a specific location. Service robots. These robots are typically used in settings such as homes, hospitals, and hotels. They are designed to perform tasks such as cleaning, vacuuming, and assisting with mobility. They are usually smaller in size and are mobile. Mobile robots. These robots are designed to move around in their environment, such as on wheels or through the air. They are typically used in applications such as transportation, delivery, and reconnaissance. Humanoid robots. These robots are designed to resemble human beings in their form and behavior. They are typically used in research to study human-robot interaction and to develop new technologies. Medical robots. These robots are typically used in medical settings such as hospitals and clinics. They are designed to perform tasks such as surgery, rehabilitation, and monitoring. All robots have the ability to sense, perceive, and act in the physical world. Sensing refers to the ability of a robot to gather information from its environment using sensors such as cameras, microphones, and touch sensors. Perception refers to the ability of a robot to interpret and understand the information it receives from its sensors. Acting refers to the ability of a robot to perform physical tasks and movements in the world, such as moving, grasping, or manipulating objects. It's worth noting that the capabilities of robots are constantly evolving as researchers and engineers continue to develop new technologies, such as advanced sensors, improved actuators, and sophisticated control algorithms that allow robots to sense, perceive, and act with greater accuracy, speed, and autonomy. Robotics involves a wide range of subfields, including mechatronics, control systems, and artificial intelligence. Mechatronics involves the design and control of mechanical systems, such as actuators and sensors, while control systems involve the development of algorithms and software that allow robots to make decisions and execute tasks. Artificial intelligence is used to give robots the ability to learn, reason, and make decisions. Robotics has a wide range of applications in various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and agriculture. For example, in manufacturing, robots are used to perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembling products. In healthcare, robots are used for surgery, rehabilitation, and monitoring of patients. In transportation, robots are used for autonomous vehicles and drones. In agriculture, robots are used for tasks such as harvesting and monitoring of crops. Robotics has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our quality of life. For example, robots can work in dangerous environments, such as nuclear power plants, and perform tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for humans. They can also work around the clock, without getting tired or taking breaks, which can increase productivity and efficiency. However, the field of robotics also has its challenges. One of the main challenges is the ability of robots to operate in unstructured environments. Robots must be able to navigate and interact with objects and people in a dynamic and unpredictable world. Another challenge is the ability of robots to work safely and effectively alongside humans. Robots must be able to understand human behavior and intentions, and to act in a way that is safe and predictable for humans. As the field of robotics continues to evolve, we can expect to see more advanced robots that are able to sense, perceive, and act in the world with greater accuracy and autonomy. We can also expect to see more robots that are able to work alongside humans and interact with them in a natural and intuitive way. Robots have a wide range of applications in manufacturing and logistics. Here are a few examples of how robots can be used to automate tasks and improve efficiency in these settings. Manufacturing. Robots have been widely used in manufacturing for decades. They are used to perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembling products. For example, in the automobile industry, robots are used to weld and paint car bodies and to assemble engines and transmission systems. Robots can work 24/7 with high accuracy and repeatability, which increases productivity and efficiency. Logistics. Robots can be used to automate tasks in logistics such as sorting, packing, and transportation of goods. For example, robots can be used in warehouses to sort and pick items for orders and to load and unload trucks. Robots can also be used to transport goods within a warehouse or factory, which can improve efficiency and reduce the need for human labor. Assembly line. Robots can be used to automate tasks on assembly lines. They can be programmed to perform specific tasks such as inserting components into products or to assemble products. They can work continuously, which means they can work faster and longer than humans, which increases productivity and efficiency. Quality control. Robots can be used to automate tasks in quality control. They can be programmed to inspect products for defects and to sort products based on their quality. They can also be used to test products for compliance with safety standards.